Yo, what's up guys? It's London Design House on YouTube channel. This is Andrew. I'm your host. I haven't seen you guys for a while. Today we're going to unbox something really nostalgic. I got this in front of me in Amazon packages. Let's unbox it without further ado. Oops! I didn't know they don't come with a box. Alright. So what we got here is a purchase from Amazon. A metal spinning top single stainless steel. And when you look at the back, there's Lightning Drago. I'm looking at the metal here. I don't think this looks that amazing. It actually doesn't look amazing at all. So it has stickers, the performance tip and the track. And also have the top. Let's open it. So what I'm thinking is, am I going to purchase a mid-thick from Amazon? But eventually, I think it's worse than mid-thick because the real one doesn't look like this. Super shiny. So this is the stickers. Drago. So we got the 90 track. It looks polished. Pretty nice. And the hollow HF. Got you. Okay. Lightning Drago from Amazon in 2023. Look at the finishing on the metal. It looks terrible, man. Look at here. So what I have on my left is a fake version of Drago from Rapidity. Obviously, I use the Beyblade, and it looks clear on the wheel, but once I use some acetone to polish it or clean it out, it looks very cloudy. And I would say it doesn't look that much of a difference, especially on the metal part. You can see the finishing on the Rabbit-T, the fake version, is also very bad. But on so-called the mid-fake version or the more expensive $17 Amazon Drago, it doesn't look polished at all. So I would say this is not like worth like the money that I pay. And in the meantime, I also come with a launcher, and actually I do have a real 2019 Drago launcher, and let's look at that. The first telltale sign I paint this is the sticker. So as you can see on the real one, this is actually real. The sticker, they don't have any patches and flaws on the stickers, but on the Amazon one, you can see it's clearly like stick onto it. Color is looking fine. I would say the real one, after so many years, it still look very silverish. as well as if you look at the height on here, never do the switch on the this part, but it's taller. Plus, the wording on to launcher, the text style is different, a bit different, I would say. And also the what kind of marking is that? Like QC marking, it's also different. It's like 10, it's 11. So that might be some sign. And lastly, when I'm trying to pull the launcher, the length is basically the same, but I would say my original one, hear the sound, is smoother. Need some WD-40. Alright, now is the battle time. Let's do these four. Earth Akara, Earth Eagle, El Drago, Meteor, El Drago, Storm Pegasus, and Flame Phoenix against the El Drago from Amazon with the Stadium of Leon. We're using the Amazon launcher that came with it. Alright, let's do Pegasus and El Drago first. Three, two, one, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Alright. It's a knockout. Let's do another one. Let's do Pegasus first. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, wait a second. Go shoot. Alright, this time El Drago wins. So just now we have somewhat like a malfunction. It's weird. But this time we're doing Earth Akara, or the Earth Eagle, versus El Drago. That's a cool attack. 2 strike. And we're not using the attack mode, we're using the defense mode, if I'm correct. Let's do another one. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Let's see if El Drago can beat Akara like in the anime. So I would say it has a lot of stamina in this HF performance tips, which is very rare. It's not tag aggressive. And I believe Drago is going to lose without spin stealing like the second gen. Alright? So 1-1. Nice. It's expected. And the third one, we're going to do Flame Phoenix. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Let's do another one. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Super weird with the launch. Let's redo it. Yeah. Super weird with the launch. Let's use the Takara Tommy authentic launcher. Oh, that makes a lot of sense now. Look at that. Yeah. So let's do another launch with the Takara Tommy. Yeah, look at that. bounce back. Guess who is winning? I'm guessing it's the Phoenix because it's a very balanced Beyblade. Defensive too, with the metal tips, which increase the stamina of the cells. It's so weird. So right now with the launcher, you can see they don't give the click, and wow, it's stuck too. Okay, this is not good. This is not a good launcher. This one can give a click no matter what. And now Drago is losing. Okay, let's see. Come on. Alright. Okay, so we're doing the last round. Which is Meteor El Drago versus Lightning El Drago with the normal mode. I don't know. I don't see a big difference on the mode actually. So I'm using the Takara Tomy version, and I'm going to launch El Drago first. Makes sense. What a chase! Like father and son, you know. So compared to 2 generation, I would say the Lightning El Drago, the first gen, actually has more stamina and it's more balanced. But I would say the Meteor El Drago is more aggressive with the performance tips and also with the rubber. Okay, El Drago Lightning wins. Let's do another round, which is the last round. We'll do Meteor first. Let's go. Ooh. Ooh. That's so cool. Alright, so let's give it an extra round with a fake version of the Destroyer. So this one comes with the last survival tips against the El Drago, but it doesn't come with the you know, the rubber. Let's do this. Let's do another one. Oh. Alright. I think that will be it. Really not recommending to buy some mid-fake, especially with this condition. At this price, I would say this is like just like a fake version of Beyblade, you know. And it doesn't work that much with the metal and the plastic and stuff. So not recommend to buy it. And that's it. Thank you for watching the video. See you guys next time. Have a nice day.